You guys, we are in Portland proper, and we are here to look at the cherry blossoms and get some steps in because, you know, why not? Yep. I'm going to take a picture of the Old Town sign and we'll see what else we can see. Hello, everybody. It's the end of the day on Monday, babysitting day. Little mister went home a while ago. Got some filming done this morning before he got here. Got all the video clips loaded to the desktop so I can edit tomorrow and all of that jazz. We are headed out for a walk now. The grandson was hilarious today, but anyway. All right. We're gonna go get some steps in before we have dinner. I don't want to, but we're gonna anyway. I'll be back. Guys, it is Friday. Holy cow. I'm tired, can you tell? It's Wednesday afternoon. It's about 3:30, 3:40, somewhere in there. My dad's coming in today. I need to go pick him up at the airport. And of course, it's been storming all day. It cleared up just now, but traffic is terrible. The back way may be 10 minutes shorter than the freeway. Yeah. Anyway, I've been not a lot of crafting yet today because I was putting Easter baskets together. But the last couple of days, I did find a few minutes here and there to make these cute little bunnies. I've made 2 so far. I do want to make a 3rd. And if I do get all 3 of them, actually, I want to make 4 of them. If I do get the other ones done, I'll put a picture of whatever ones are done here. They're super cute. It's modified from a pattern online. I'll link below. The little bow is not in her pattern, and I put a tail on mine. It's a bunny, so it should have a tail. So anyway. Okay, I'm gonna put some sunglasses on, start the car, figure out which way to go, and yeah, this ought to be interesting. But it's not going to be any fun. I got a book with me. I got some knitting with me. So if I get there early, I'll just sit and chill for a bit until I get the call from him what pole he's by at the pickup area. So anyway, I'll be back. Everybody, it's been a few days. So we picked my dad up at the airport, and he is here visiting for about a week. He and Bob are out right now doing some errands and hanging out. I stayed back because I get to do some more babysitting today. The kids are moving. They've got some stuff to do on the house they live in now before they can put it on the market. And so I'm going to babysit for a bit this afternoon so that they can get some stuff done. And then tonight they're going to come over for dinner so they can hang out with Grandpa. Anyway, I did manage to, despite all of that, get some stuff done. So you saw a clip of me crocheting at the table upstairs. Dad and I were both hiding up there because the cleaning ladies were here yesterday, and it was so funny. He made himself comfortable in my chair in the corner of the art room. He loved it up there. I thought he was going to fall asleep in the chair. He was so comfortable. But anyway, I made 4 of these little bunnies. They did all get done. I do have a picture. I will put it in, and they are adorable. I did find some Woobles type t-shirt yarn on Amazon. And I like working with it. And then when I was out the other day running errands, I found some at Michael's, more expensive, but I found some at Michael's. and I tried that one and love it too. I worked it up. It worked up very similarly, and I liked it too. The pink one is made with the Michaels yarn. You can't tell any difference between the size of the bunnies, the size of the stitches. They look the same. Then when I was out not long ago with adopted daughter, hanging out with her for her birthday, we stopped by this one charity shop in McMinnville, and I ended up picking up this Lily Sugar and Cream pattern book. And when I got home and I opened it, it had a handwritten pattern in it, which I then made up. How cute is that? Out of some cotton. And I'm going to make another one. I've already started on another one. I've never done corner to corner before. This is my first time doing anything corner to corner. It was pretty easy and I enjoyed it. And I like having cotton dish rags or washcloths around. I use them a lot, especially in the bathroom, and yeah, they work really well. I'm going to take this pattern, written pattern, and I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to put it on my Patreon for the patrons and supporters. So if you want a copy of it and you want to try it, go over there. It's only a couple bucks. So anyway, yeah, I will be making more things out of this pattern book, but I might need to get some more Lily Sugar and Cream, which they have at Bi-Mart, and it's less expensive there. They don't have all the colors, but they do have it. So anyway, I'm going to just sit and relax and watch some YouTube while I'm making brownies for later tonight and waiting for the guys to get home and or grandson to get here. So yeah, I think that's it for the minute. I'll be back. Hi everybody, it is Saturday morning. It's just about 9 o'clock. I think Bi-Mart just opened. I'm gonna run in and pick up a couple of things. One of them being crackers, because I don't think we got enough crackers last night. So it's Easter weekend and we already had one of 3 family get-togethers last night. We're having another one tonight, and then one with the grandson tomorrow, and Easter egg hunt. So yeah, anyway, it's a lot. I think I need more crackers though. We'd always do a charcuterie spread, and I don't think we got enough. Anyway, I also have to go to the bank and get some cash because I have like $4 on me. And yeah, at least one dairy thing I think I forgot last night. So I think I'm just going to stop at Safeway because there's an ATM there. Anyway. Yeah. I did get 3 so far of the cotton washcloths done, the corner to corner. And I'm really liking making them. And I do use them on my face when I wash and dry my face at night. And they work really well. I like the way they feel on my skin. So I'm gonna make some more, and they have cotton yarn here, so I might pick up a little extra yarn, because big surprise. Bob and Dad are off at a hot rod show. They'll probably be home before I get back. I would be surprised if they're not. And then we have some paperwork to sign off on helping the kids get their new house. And then we have the family dinner, and it's just a lot. It's a lot. Anyway, I'm finding time where I can, but yeah, it's a lot. All right, let's go inside and walk around, get a couple things. I'll be back. Guys, it's 2:15 on Sunday. That's right, Sunday. It's Easter weekend, and we had 3 family get-togethers this weekend, and today was 3 of 3. So we're done. Love the family, but I'm exhausted. Anyway, but I did get 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 5 of these corner-to-corner dishcloth, washcloth things done. This is the one I finished as we got started with the family get-together today. I am going to start another one. These are actually from scraps from the one I've already made. I tied them together and wound them into a ball, and we're just going to see what comes out. I have enough, at least enough for probably 2 more in this ball. So anyway, we're going to do that. And otherwise, I'm just going to relax and take a few minutes where I can. Extra babysitting, of course, next week, and we'll be going forward while the kids are moving. That's just going to be a thing. So I have to update my calendar. Anyway, that's it for this week. I hope if I can get creative time squeezed into my schedule, you can too. Anyway, and if you feel like your life is hectic and chaotic, you're not alone. Hello. Have you not seen these big bags? I know I have. Come by them naturally, thanks, Dad. But I mean, also they're bigger when I'm tired. Hello. Anyway, that's it for right now. Any relevant links I will leave down in the video description. Questions, comments, or concerns, I welcome down below. I do reply to everything, and please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to go out and do something nice for yourself, because you deserve it. Happy Easter. See you next week. Bye, guys.